Neck and jaw tension can make your tinnitus feel louder. A massage gun can help relax those tight muscles, improve circulation, and reduce stress. Common tinnitus triggers. Use it for just a few minutes daily. Start on the lowest setting and avoid direct use on the head or ears. Never use directly on your head or ears for safety. These devices come in different models to suit your needs. Regular use can help reduce overall tension and stress. The gentle percussion helps muscles relax naturally. Just a few minutes each day can make a difference. Start with gentle pressure and low-intensity settings. I've linked the massage tool I recommend in the description. Check it out if you want to try this for yourself. Take control of your tinnitus relief journey today. Your path to better wellness starts now.